Good day. Today, going live talking about this latest series. We were discussing on how to convert ready-made HTML themes into something that would work on PageCarton. So today we are also going to move further. Something we've discussed before, but we need to go over it again. We are going to talk about how to embed posts in your theme. So that brings in something that allows us to have dynamic data in our theme. Sometimes we have areas in our themes you have where you have posts like blog, like videos, team members, testimonials, things that could they are mislead structured data that uh, we could easily make dynamic, where users of our teams can just click on it and then they could add a new item to the list without having to go to the admin panel. So that is what this embedding post is all about. So with PageCarton, without having to write any server-side code, we could make our theme embeddable, and that way our theme becomes dynamic, and the users of our team will as well be able to use it without needing to go to the back end. So one moment as I set up my system to be able to do this. I want to put the link on Facebook. Okay. Meanwhile, you can get more videos from pagecarton.org/video. Gives you access to videos made by me or other people that are trying to put up content so that PageCarton could be accessible easily. Yeah. I'm going online, I think my system is kind of slow, so setting up is 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 difficult. But just a moment, we will go through this.
You're welcome. Welcome.
You can see me doing that. Yeah. I'm trying to set up. This is taking so long.
Okay, we are going live on Facebook as well. Uh, you will see. I'm trying to send this link to people on my WhatsApp link, so permit me to stay a little bit longer. Somebody is going live now. Facebook. Somebody is going live now. Facebook. Okay. We've done 20 minutes trying to set up. I apologize for that. We're starting in about 5 more minutes. What is this? Follow up on this one is on two separate videos that was done earlier. It's on Facebook. We did three videos. We did two on theme design, and then we did one on plugins. So plugins talk so much on how to use PHP to enhance the experience, like to add features that did not come with PageCarton. You want to extend the functionalities of PageCarton, then you need to learn how to build your own plugins. Then if you are versed with HTML, you can build your own themes so that you can design how you want your site to look and feel. But notwithstanding, you don't really need to build your own thing to use PageCarton. That is why we have people that can build the themes. So they are going to build the themes and release some. They're going to be free themes. We have free themes that are on theme.pagecarton.org. You're welcome to upload your theme to theme.pagecarton.org whenever you are done designing your theme. And then you can as well sell your theme, your well-designed theme, in the marketplace. Let's go to Twitter. Okay. We're sending out a tweet that we are going live. Okay, let's go. Now it's time to go live on Instagram. Hello, you can talk now. No, I'm not done. Okay. Yeah. You go to the ceremony from there.
From Villa ceremony.
Okay.
This person went to my pop.
You what?
To my pop.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You know your way down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me, I'm live, so I would have seen you, but I'm live right now. Call me, okay? Sorry for that. Come now. Come and say hello to my friends online. You know, we're actually live on PageCarton. Thank God you are here. So let them see the almighty Dan. Come here. Dan is saying hello.
Hi.
A powerful PageCarton community member. But he's going to a ceremony now, so you bring jollof rice for us.
Of course.
Party jollof. Nice one.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want people to see my face on Instagram. I want people to see my face on Instagram. Oh my god, my chest. Okay, 3 more minutes and then we start the tutorial. That is going to mean we use 30 minutes for setup. So rough, but no matter, we're still going live. Okay, thank you very much for staying by. My name is Ayoola Falola and we're going live on PageCarton.org. We are talking about building PageCarton theme from ready-made HTML templates, and it's this is the third in the series on how to build PageCarton theme from ready-made HTML templates. And we are treating embedding posts, that is to insert dynamic data into themes. If you do not know what I'm talking about, just hang on and log on to PageCarton Facebook page, and you can watch all this going live. We're going to be showing you pages and things that you could do with PageCarton. And meanwhile, Instagram, hello. So we are going, and I will show you my computer. I will show you my computer. So this is what we're trying to do. We have a page like this. This is a theme that is in progress. We're building this theme, and we use text updates on all this, but this one seems like a place where we are supposed to add speakers. We want to embed post here so that users can add as many speakers as they want. Hi, I'm Teaser. I'm good, and how are you doing too? Talking on Instagram. So we have this post right here. I want to show you something. Okay. Just log on. If you're watching on Instagram, log on to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/PageCarton, and you will see this video, and then you can see the screen. You can see my screen. You'll be able to see my screen where I'm showing you a website. For some reasons, I'm not able to turn this on for you to see, but I believe. Oh, thanks, Cesar. And then if you can go to the PageCarton page on YouTube, yeah. So you would see the screen. We have the speakers list here on the screen. We want to be able to add our speaker without, all this. The theme came with a lot of speakers, but we need to remove all the speakers and then add our own speaker, and then add
a way for the user of our theme to be able to add their own theme, so that they'll be able to add their own speaker as they have it. So that is one of the uses of the post embedding in themes. So hi Osha 360, how you doing? Thanks for joining. We have, so I'm just gonna go into the edit theme, and I'm gonna edit that particular page on the theme pages, and I'll come to this area where you have our speakers, and I will go into the code view. Okay, one thing is I'm gonna come into this advanced settings area by clicking this this rectangular button in the middle, and I'll see this box where it says embed widgets. So I'm going to look for the widget I want to embed, which is application article show all, application article show all, Shubi Denki, I got you, Husseini Ibrahim 80, I got you, Shubi Denki. One day we'll see now, right? So application article show all is what I'm looking for on this list. How come okay, here's it. So it will try to load, and when it does, we will move forward. Then we come into the code here, the code view, and then we look at the code that is showing. Okay, apologies, you have not been seeing my screen. Okay, let's start all over. Sometimes when I'm using this OBS, I forget to switch the screen to where you can see it. So one thing I did was that I clicked this link to bring out this, and then I set this to application article show all, and I have then I come into code view right here. This is how to switch to code view. This is how it was before, and then I came here to click on code view. So the code view is here. Then I'm going to look at the areas, the codes that are showing the speakers. So it seems like this is the code showing the speakers. So I'm going to perform some updates on the code so that it can bring out the dynamic information we wanted to bring out. So what are we going to do? I'm going to I could actually perform the edit this code over